In this video, I'm going to teach you how to collect data from a landing page form in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your marketing, and then from in there, locate the option called Forms. If it's not there, you can also find it right here onto the content or either onto the commerce or sales like there. Once you have located the form, you can also click onto the search bar and search for forms. If you can find it through the usual way, you can just search for it and you can find it right here. Once you're there, just select the form that you want to add on your landing page. For example, let's edit right here this one. You can select that form and add as much field as you want. Proceed to edit it however you like, and once you have it ready, proceed to click onto this review and update. Once it's been updated, you just need to head back to your HubSpot and then add it directly onto your landing page. You can do so by going over to the content and then looking for the landing page and then adding that form to that. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.